Hello children, welcome to our online classes. Then our next topic is Roman numerals. Already you learned Roman numerals from the first class 1 to 10, then second class, third class. Now we continue the Roman numerals. There are 7 symbols in the Roman numerals. 7 symbols in the Roman numerals. Which are the 7 symbols? Roman numerals are, these are the Roman numerals: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I stand for 1, V stand for 5, X stand for 10, L stand for 50, C stand for 100, D stand for 500, M stand for 1000. These are the 7 symbols in the Roman numerals. Then we make the numbers. There are 4 rules. 4 rules are there. Then what is the first rule? First rule is, rule 1 is I, X, C and M are repeated 3 times. I, X, C, M are repeated 3 times. I, X, C, M are repeated 3 times, but V, L, D are not repeated. I, X, C, M are repeated 3 times, but V, L, D are not repeated. V, L, D are not repeated. You can remember it. Listen, 5, 50, 500. 5, 50 and 500. 5 का 5 digit वाला. 5, 50 and 500 is not repeated, but 1, 10, 100 and 1000 are repeated. 5, 10, 50 and 500 are not repeated, but 1, 10, 100 and thousands are repeated. Only 3 times. Only 3 times. This is the first rule. The rule 1 is 1, X, C, M are repeated 3 times. V, L, D are not repeated. This is the first rule. The second rule. The second rule is, when smaller one is placed after the greater one, smaller one is placed after the greater one, the value is increased. That is, both are added there. Both digits are added there. Example, that is, I is less than V. I is less than V. I is less than the V. Then we write V. Then next step. After V, we can write I. Vi. That is the smaller one. I means 1 digit. V means 5. Then 1 is smaller than 5. That smaller one is right after the greater one. That is after the greater one. The smaller one is right after the greater one. That is the बड़े number के बाद smaller number. बड़े number के बाद smaller one हम लोग लिखेगा. Then this one is added here. That is V means 5 plus 1. The answer is 6. Then V, that is 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7. Then that is 5 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 8. The smaller one is added to the right side, then it is increased. That these 4 digits are added here, then the answer is 8. The same as X 1, that is 10 plus 1, 11. Then and x. After x is written after the L, that is 50 plus 10, 60. 50 plus 10, 60. Then C and L. C and L, that is 100. C means 100 plus L 50. 150. Then L and X. L and X already written. LXX, that is 50 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 70. The smaller digit is added to the right after the greater one, then it is added. That is, value is increased. Next, the rule 3. Rule 3 is the smaller one write before the greater one. The smaller numeral is placed before the greater one. That is, 1 is smaller than 5. That is, I is smaller than V. Then I placed before the V. I placed before the V means 1 before 5. That means 5 is subtracted from the greater one. 1 is subtracted from the 5. That is 5 minus 1, that's equal to 4. This one means 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Next, L and X. X before L. X is smaller than L. X is 10, L is 50. Then X is smaller than L, that is 50 minus 10 equal to 40. C, XC, that is 100 minus 10 equal to 90. 100 minus 10 equal to 90. CD. C is 100, D is 500. The C is smaller than D, that is 500 minus 100 equal to 400. The smaller one is placed before the greater one. So smaller number बड़े number के पहले लिखिएगा, that is smaller one is subtracted from the greater one, that is 500 minus 100 equal to 400. That is the third rule. First rule is we can repeat it only I, X, C and M. V, L, T are not repeated. I, X, C and M are repeated only 3 times. Then second rule is the smaller one is placed after the greater one. The digits are added there. That is. Then next rule 3 is the smaller digit is placed before the greater one. Then this number is smaller one is subtracted from the greater one. The rule 4. Then which is the fourth rule? That is, I is taken from V and X only. Third rule is the smaller one is placed before the greater one. The value is subtracted there. That is, here I is placed before V and X only. I is placed before V and X only. I is placed before V and X only. Then X is placed before L and C only. X is placed before L and C only. C is placed before D and M only. D and M only. I is placed before V and X is placed before only L and C is placed before D and M. When you solve the problems, then you points and do it carefully.